I love the eye makeup, I love my lipstick, I love everything today about myself. I love myself, basically. Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do this fabulous look, which is super easy. I know I say this in every video, it is super easy, but trust me guys, practice will make it easy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. And I want to thank Oulac Cosmetics for sending me a great PR package, and I will discuss about the product in the video when I'm using them, and the products are so without any further delay, let's get on to our makeup chair. So I have already done my base and I will list everything down in the description box so you don't have to worry. Today the look that we're going to do is by the brand Oulac Cosmetics. Yes, this was sent to me by Oulac and the products are beautiful. The packaging is absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna start with the eyeshadows, okay, and throughout the video I will keep showing you the products as well. So I'm just going to conceal using a concealer. I'm using it as a primer. You can find these products, the Oulac products, on Amazon, and the best thing about these products are they're super affordable. So let me. The first product that I'm going to use is the cream color. Now you have to see this color. Can you see? I'm just going to swatch this on my hand. Ooh. It's a nice, beautiful khaki color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this shade and apply it all over my eyelid with my fingers first. You can wear this color by itself, but I am dying to use the eyeshadow palette, so I will use the eyeshadow palette with it. This kind of gives you a very nice base as well. Wow. Personally, it's looking very, very beautiful. I don't know how much the camera can catch, but look at the packaging. Guys, it is so chic and nice, and it has a mirror, and you have to check these shades. You don't need any other palette. So we're going to use this shade. This is the pinkish brown shade as our first transition shade, and because it has a big mirror, I don't need my mirror. So I'm going to start. Oh man, this is pigment, and there is no fallout even in the palette. And this palette can be used for party, for your everyday look, for any look that you want to create, because it's got shimmer, it's got matte, it's got that dense black color as well. I am loving it. Let's do the same thing here. And guys, this is not a paid promotion. They send me the PR package and I'm giving you the honest review. Now that the transition shade is done, I'm gonna use this dark brown shade. And just blend it in the outer corner. Just in the outer corner. Be very careful with this. It is super duper pigmented. I'm just going to take the first blending brush that we had taken, and just blend it off. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be back. So the second eye is done, and trust me guys, I am just dipping my brush only from the tip, and this is the pigment. Now I'm going to use this khaki color, which is a shimmer, and place it right in the middle. And with my fingers, I'm just going to blend it with the darker brown shade that is there. Pigment is beautiful. I'm just going to take this blending brush and just do a swiping motion on the lid so that the eyeshadows have blended really well. Now in the inner corner, I'm going to use this shimmer shade. Wow. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Wow. It's got specks of gold in it. It's got a little bit of pink, and it looks stunning. I'm just going to dab the entire thing on the lid. Now for the lower lash line, I am going to first apply kajal. This is from Rimmel. Okay, I'm just going to apply kajal in my waterline, lower and upper both. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to take a softer pencil brush and I'm going to dip it in the brown, dark brown that we use, and I'm going to smudge the kohl pencil that I applied. I think I'm going to use the stiffer brush. Okay. Now there's an option that we can do is, because we have a black in this, we can use it as an eyeliner. I'm going to try that. I'm going to dip the angular brush in the black shade, okay, and just create an eyeliner. The reason why I'm dipping the brush so much is because I'm taking very little amount in it. So this is how it looks. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye and I will be back. So this is how it looks. I am just loving the eyeshadow. I hope the camera is doing justice. I don't know if you've noticed, my foundation is also looking beautiful. I've not set it with powder yet. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery shade that we have and put it in the inner corner. So I'm going to go and apply some blush. Okay, they've sent me this beautiful blush mono. I'm going to just take a fluffy brush. This is so beautiful. It's a nice coral color. It is pigmented again. Be very careful. You know, the best thing about pigmented products are they last you much longer. And for highlight, I'm going to use the Milani highlight. This is the Bake highlight. I'm going to use this very lightly because this again is very pigmented. I'm going to put it on the eyebrows also, the brow bone. Now I'm just going to go and set my base with the NYX Dewy Finish. Now for lipstick, I have a few options, but before that I want to show you how beautiful their packaging is. Isn't this high-end luxury? Wow. This is such a beautiful shade. I'm going to apply it here and show you. The second one is this. This is a beautiful color. It's a very nude and very nice color. And it is super moisturizing. Wow. This is really amazing, guys. The other one is a matte. I love the color. And they're super comfortable. When I'm applying it, it's super comfortable. It's not very drying. The last one is a liquid lipstick. And again, it's a very beautiful color. Now I am thinking that I will go with the nude lipstick. Or you know what, just let me try the other one as well. So let's do this. I'm going to do a little dab, just because I want to use it. And then I'm just going to use the nude color. Can you see the shine? It is so comfortable on your lips, plus it is so hydrating. I think I'm not going to stop applying it. It's okay. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. Now I'm just going to take my ring finger. I normally do this is because when you apply two shades, it's just better to have, you know, just blend it. It's just kind of a blending process for me. So I'm going to go and quickly apply mascara, which I completely forgot. And that's what I was trying to think what's missing on my eye, or what is missing on my eyes. So mascara is done. I just can't stop looking at myself today. My skin is looking absolutely fantastic. So this is the final look. I am just loving how everything has come together and this is looking so beautiful. So I'm going to list all the products in the description box. Also leave their link from the Amazon and their Instagram page. Do check them out. They are really, really affordable and really very good. We just saw. And I have actually used the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation and it is beautiful. So we come to the end of this video. Request all of you all to please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, like, share and show some love in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Till then, do take care of yourself, be home, be safe, and I love you all. Mwah. Look at this. I wanted to show you all how it looks in the sunlight.